to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a Get Ready With Me Prom 2018 edition. This is the makeup look that I created, and this is the dress that I'm going to be wearing, but you can't see it right now. But if you keep watching throughout the end of this video, you can see the complete dress and the heels and just everything that I wore for this prom. And yes, I'm 21 and I'm going to prom right now because it's not my prom, you guys, it's my brother's prom. The thing is that in his high school, like, parents are required to like go to their proms, to their child's prom. So I'm just going, and I'm just going to like relive the prom events. Yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below, which, by the way, I'm going to be doing a giveaway really soon. I'm thinking of giving away the Carly Bible palette for this YouTube giveaway. But if you follow me on Instagram, you can also help me reach 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 followers. And I'm going to be doing the Jaclyn Hill palette giveaway. And I'm going to give that palette away, which is my favorite palette ever. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram and follow me or subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos. So yeah, let's just get into this video. Okay guys, so I'm so nervous about how this is going to turn out because this is the first time that I'm going to be doing a black smoky eye. But, you know, let's just get started. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be applying the color Butter with a Morphe M433 brush on the outer corners of my eyes and on my crease. Okay guys, so the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying the color Maca from the Jaclyn Hill palette as well, and I'm just going to be repeating the same steps that I did with the color Butter. Next, I'm going to be applying the color Ship, but this one specifically, I'm going to be concentrating it on the outer corners of my eyes. And at the same time, I'm just going to be dragging it on my crease in order to create this blended effect. And finally, I'm going to be taking my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going to be applying the darker shade or the black shade on the outer corners of my eyes. And now, all that I'm going to be doing is blending all the colors together in order to create a smoky effect. Now, I'm going to be taking my favorite concealer brush and my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, and I'm just going to be cutting my crease but creating this oval shape. Right after I do this, I'm going to be switching back to my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be applying the start of this show, which is this copper or goldish shimmery color, which is called Queen, and I'm just going to be applying that on the crease that I just cut. But before I apply it, I made sure that I wet it with my NYX Cosmetics setting spray. And now, last but not least, I am going to be blending everything together with my finger or with the same brush, taking colors again and popping it back on my lid, and you know the drill. Okay guys, so for my primer, I use the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And for my foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 300 and my Real Technique sponge. Guys, it has been such a long time since I've filmed a makeup tutorial. Like, I don't even remember how's it like to film this. Like, I really missed it. And I'm super excited to edit this and post this. I've never done a smoky eye before, and I think it turned out okay. I'm so excited to go to my brother's prom. Like, I'm actually getting ready to go to his prom because I already went to mine almost 3 years ago. And I'm so excited to like relive everything again. I'm going to be there with my parents, with my grandmother, and obviously eating everything they have. That's my favorite part of going to activities, like the food. Also guys, I really want to thank you so much for helping me reach 400 subscribers here on YouTube. I was so excited when I reached that number, and like every day I get a couple subscribers more, which is like really exciting because yeah, I really want to do this my whole life, and this is like what I really want to do. So if you haven't shared with your friends and family my YouTube channel, make sure that you do. Please help me reach more people out there. Help me get noticed in this influencer YouTuber community. I'll be forever grateful. Like, I will literally cry when I reach like 1,000 subscribers, or like even 500. I'm really gonna cry. Like, it's gonna be so exciting. Like, every time I just like think about my future in YouTube, I get so excited. I really hope that it comes true, but yeah, please help me. This foundation looks really nice. Oh my god, my lips are like so chapped. Okay, so for my concealer, I'm going to be using this Naked Skin Concealer. I'm going to try to use another palette to like use the mirror, because the big mirror that I was using, like it's really too big and like I don't like it. Also, I really want to do giveaways really soon. I want to do one on my Instagram and another one on my YouTube channel. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm really close to 1,000 followers. And when I do, I'm going to be doing the Jaclyn Hill palette giveaway, which basically I'm just giving away a Jaclyn Hill palette, like a new Jaclyn Hill palette. That's my favorite palette in the whole world, and I'm going to give it away for you guys. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, please make sure you do, so I could do that giveaway really soon, and you might win it. And the other giveaway that I really want to do is on YouTube. I'm not really sure if I should do the giveaway when I reach 500 subscribers, or when my 1 year anniversary of being on YouTube is. Like, my 1 year anniversary, I think, if I'm not mistaken, is on May 25th. I honestly do not know, don't remember, but it was like the last week of May. So I don't know if I should wait till I get 500 subscribers, or if I should do the giveaway the day that the anniversary is. So let me know in the comments down below, when do you want, or when do you think I should do the giveaway? Whether I should wait till I reach 500 subscribers and you guys help me reach it, yeah, or if I do it in my 1 year anniversary of being on YouTube day. So please let me know, when do you want me to do that giveaway, please. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier powder. And I'm honestly just going to set my face, my whole face, using this. It's so good. Especially my nose area. Like my nose areas, because I use glasses, like the foundation most of the time like gets all cakey. But that's not going to happen today because I have my contact lenses on. But I still want to like put a lot of my Laura Mercier powder, Mercier, not Mercier, to make sure that the makeup around my nose area doesn't move throughout the day. Because the activity, it's actually at like 7 p.m. and it's like, what time is it? It's 2:22, so I'm still gonna, like, I'm gonna be with this makeup for like a couple of hours before the prom starts. So I want to make sure everything stays intact. Is it good? Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to apply is the Shade and Light palette, the contour palette from Kat Von D. And I'm just going to be taking these two colors and just mix them. I honestly don't know what my color is, like my contour color. So I'm just going to be taking those two and mix them. Now I'm going to be cleaning my contour with the same Laura Mercier powder. Do I look snatched? Now I'm going to be applying this Milani Luminoso blush. This is like a really pretty color. I love it. Now I'm going to be taking this Morphe E3 brush and just swipe this. My earring is going to fall off if I keep doing this really fast and hard. Yay! Now I'm going to be taking my Becca and Jaclyn Hill highlighting trio. I've had this since like maybe 2 years and it's my favorite thing in the whole world. Also guys, yesterday I watched Riverdale. No freaking way. I'm not going to say any spoilers, but all I'm going to say is that I'm shocked. Shocked? I am shook. Like shooketh. I am so shooketh and shook. Like, I did not expect that at all. Like, why did they even have to do that? If you've seen it, you know why I'm so stressed. But I can't wait 1 week for like the other episode to come out because I'm honestly just going to pass away. Like, I need to know what the frick happens. Last but not least, or this is not gonna be the last thing I do, but I'm just going to see what color lipstick I use. I'm not sure whether I should go with a red color or a brown color. Red is gonna look super nice. But I haven't done a brown lip in like such a long time. But do you think a brown lip is going to look like doll? Brown or red? I love the red one, oh my god. Shim. I was going to do brown to be honest, but oh, brown looks so good though. You know what? Go big or go home. I'm going to be using the red color. And this is a Mary Jo K. Kim Kardashian. I'm so sorry, Kylie. This is the Mary Jo K. Kylie Cosmetics lipstick. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This prom smoky eye golden goddess makeup look, red lip makeup look. In a bit I'm going to be showing you my prom dress, which actually gives me like some Kim Kardashian golden goddess a vibe, so don't exit the video yet if you want to see this beautiful, like it's the most beautiful prom dress I've ever seen in my entire life. I wore it for my high school graduation, but I really wish that I had worn it for like my actual prom. But yeah, I'm going to insert some clips right now of my prom dress, so roll the clips. Okay guys, so that's it for my video. I really hope that you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me Prom 2018 makeup look and prom dress. Make sure that you follow me on my Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure that you do that because like I said throughout the video, I'm planning on doing 2 giveaways really soon, but I can't do them without your help. So if you want to share this video on your Facebook or with your friends or with your family and spread the word about, you know, my YouTube videos, like I'll be like really freaking happy. Why am I not like, why do I have this? Oh, I haven't like sprayed it on my face. Like, let's just do that on the outro. There, and now I'm wet. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Bye.